Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Raffia pumpkin Dollar Tree DIY. What we're using for Raffia is just a grass skirt from the Dollar Tree. I just grabbed like 3 of them off of the waistband, and using a Dollar Tree foam pumpkin, I removed the stem, put the waistband down inside the pumpkin like that, cut off the excess because it is a little bit longer than I need, and then kind of just stuff the rest of the raffia down inside the foam pumpkin. Everything stays tight. I do this same thing here with my second bundle, just crisscrossing the first one, making sure I cut off the excess links so I don't have the inside of the pumpkin too full with the excess raffia. And now going in between, I'm just doing the openings, crisscross again until I cover up all of the foam pumpkin. I do find that this works better with the white one, just because it's going to be easier to cover up than the bright orange or the black ones. But you can always paint them if that is the only one that you have and you need kind of a more neutral background. I just keep going one bundle at a time until I can't see any of the foam pumpkin and the whole thing is covered. It really gives you a fun raffia look. It was so easy to make though with just the Dollar Tree grass skirt, and it's a great use for these. I love crafting with those. Now that looks pretty good. I'm just going to use one of the wood slices from the Dollar Tree for a pumpkin stem, just by placing that inside the foam pumpkin as well. And then we have to decorate it a little bit just to make it look festive for fall. I'm going to use one of the Dollar Tree fall leaves in green, and kind of avoid the red and the orange, and a little bit of their Spanish moss as well. I just gather that around the pumpkin stem, making sure I clean it up a little bit. I don't want it going all the way down the sides of the pumpkin, but I love a little bit of that at the top of a pumpkin. And then the fall leaf for the pumpkin leaf. I'm just going to use a dot of hot glue to attach that. This was so easy to make, and I absolutely love how it turned out. It looks really high end and definitely not like a Dollar Tree foam pumpkin. This is how it turned out. If you'd like more Dollar Tree fall DIYs, be sure to visit my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.